Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here. Today we're making something super delicious. We're making chicken breast with string beans. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Now guys, what I'm gonna do is cut this chicken into bite-sized pieces. And this is chicken breast. Trimming off a little fat. Not much fat on here. Get rid of that. I get why people love working with chicken breast. I mean, it's easy. You buy boneless skinless chicken breast and most of the work is done for you. I get it. The thighs have more flavor. Now we're going to move on to the green beans. We're just going to wash these green beans. We have our green beans and we wash them. Now we're just going to trim them like that. And we're gonna look for weird things and stuff we don't want to use, like that's fine. Just a little skinny guy. Now, you don't have to do them one by one, of course. You get you a few. There you go. Or you can buy them already trimmed. Now, I also want to cut them in half, because that's more the size I'm looking for. You can leave yours long if you like. These are the green beans that are cleaned, trimmed, and cut in half. These are clean, but they're not trimmed and they're not cut in half. And these are the kind of things they put in cans, and these how they look in their original state. Now I know you all are cookaholics, you cook a lot, but a lot of people are starting to forget what food looks like in its natural state. And you want to make sure you get rid of stuff like this, parts of the stem. Cut off the back of that, and we're going to cut it like that. We just want big slivers like this. See that? That was half of a giant onion. One large onion would work. You got green beans, chicken breast, onions, sugar, ginger, minced garlic, black bean sauce, vegetable oil, sesame seed oil, rice wine. We have soy sauce, cornstarch, and red pepper flakes. In this bowl, I'm gonna get the wine, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, black bean sauce. It's actually a black bean and garlic sauce. Cornstarch. And sugar. You can use a fork, but I'm using a whisk. Breaking up that cornstarch. Couldn't really do that with a spoon. Now we're going to add the chicken to it. I'm going to let this rest. I'm going to let it chill out. Kick back. Put the speed up for about 20 minutes. And while that's going on, I'm going to wash some of these dishes. Somebody got to wash them. Y'all ain't washing them for me. Oh, it smells so good already. Then again, I love the smell of ginger and sesame seed oil. All right, I have a large pan that I want to put on high heat. I'm going to pour in our vegetable oil, just like so. Now I'm going to let this come to a little situation where it starts to smoke a little bit. All right, we have a little shimmy going across it. It's just about ready to start adding the chicken. Stir and cook this chicken all the way through. All right, that's ready. Now, added a couple sprays vegetable oil. Now I'm gonna add the green beans and the onion. And I'm gonna cook and stir this till they start to get tender. Going for like a crisp, tender type thing. Now we're gonna throw that garlic in here. The ginger, red pepper flakes. Give that a quick toss. Now we're going to add the chicken back. And toss it around like that. Turn the heat off. That's it. You can grab the recipe at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. That's all I got for this week. I'll see you next week. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.